Well, it started when I was really little because I knew from a young age my mom was really into education because she always told me how she didn't get into college in Poland and how that affected her life here. She didn't have a degree, so that made it harder for her to work. And so she made sure I could read and write at a young age. I was like pointing out colors and stuff at age 3 and like learning to read before kindergarten. It was really important for me to have like A's and get into college, because she never got that chance and she wanted me to have the best life here. Well, throughout my whole life, I made sure I had good grades. I was in all the gifted classes because that's how my mom wanted me to be. Because of that, I was always reading, writing. I love art as well. And anything school related, I was always like really exceptional at. My first college was pretty easy, but due to some like difficulties with college, because I'm a first generation student, my mom didn't really know how to support me through college. So I did struggle with some mental health issues, which translated into me coming here, and now doing so much better. I really like COD. COD has given me a lot more opportunities in the sense that there are more clubs here, and the campus is beautiful. It's a big campus, while the other campus was only 2 buildings, and the clubs here are phenomenal. I'm vice president in the psychology club, and I get to run my own meetings, which you can't do in junior high and high school. The teachers run the meetings. But here, the students have full control, and that's so cool. New student orientation made me less scared to go here, because the campus size is pretty intimidating. And they helped us choose our classes, and they didn't say, oh, you have to do this one. You have choices.
Hi, have you heard of career services before? I haven't. Oh.
Well, I knew I wanted to go to college from a young age because I wanted to get a good job. I never knew really what that job was. Like the first time I was hospitalized for mental health, it really set me back in school. And I thought, oh no, what if college is jeopardized? And so I started working harder and harder, and like mental health like got worse and worse, but like I still kept working hard, and eventually I got here. And I'm really proud of myself for getting here and for how hard I'm working now, because I really want to be an art therapist when I'm older. I wear a wristband that says my mission statement, which is making hospitals less scary for kids, which I think is really important, and that's what I want to do when I'm older. My family is also very proud of me. My mom, she just wants the best for me. She has that tough love kind of mentality, but I know that she loves me, and that college was always one place that she wanted me to go.